This is a tutorial on the basics of using a computer. This thing down here is the toolbar. And this is where some programs are. This is the Windows Desktop Search. Click on that, you see this. Click on the X there. This is the Start menu. This is where you click Programs. You click on that. Right here's the Log Off button and the Turn Off button. You click on those if you want to. Click on this if you just want to log off. If you want to completely power off and restart, you click on this. This is where the most used programs lie, your most accessed. As you can tell, what I usually access the most is Office for school and iTunes. So I like to watch stuff on that, and I like to sync my iTunes on there. I'm always updating my Windows. This is your network places. Gives you information about your network. My computer, information about drives, cameras, scanners, etc. This is where your music stored, pictures, and documents. It's your control panel right here. This is a classic view. Right here, you can change the screensaver, color, fonts, and screen resolution. This gives you information about your system, and you can change some settings like automatic updates, virtual memory. Virtual memory is memory that's on the hard drive. There's your random access memory that's rather a stick of computer chips in the board. That's your fast memory. The virtual memory is extra memory that it uses when it starts to run out of that. Here's your built-in Windows firewall. Wireless. Mail. I got MobileMe installed. Click on that. And there's your network. I'll go more into detail with that later. This is how it looks in category view. This is the way that it looks by default. I'm going to exit that. If you have it on the icon here, you can double click your web browser. If you don't, and it's not in here, you click on here to all programs, and you scroll to whatever web browser you go to. I'm going to click on Internet Explorer rather than Mozilla Firefox, which is over here, because, well, this is the standard that comes with XP, and this is what you'd be using until you install something else. Give it a minute to load. I'm going to click yes, because I had another browser open, so now it's my default browser again. As you can tell, I clicked on there. This is the minimize, maximize button. That X exits you out of the program. Now, on a typical Windows computer mouse, you have a right click button and a left click. You want to left click here if you want to enter something into the search bar, or here. Or left click here if you want to type in a web address. Let's go to everybody's favorite, youtube.com. And then you can click on this. Then if you want to search for a video, let's search for Dave Chappelle Vic James. Everybody loves that. scroll the icon over there. Click on that when you want to. And there's the print icon. You click this to get back to your home page. This is the tools. You can delete browsing history, reopen last browsing session. Got your smart screen filter, compatibility views, internet options. You click on that. Got security, privacy, content, connections, program, advanced. And you can change your home page. You can click use current, use default, use blank. See, what else can I show you? It's pretty much the same thing with all the rest of the programs here. Now here's a useful feature if you want to know. You click on my computer, you right click, you can click open, and there's where you can view your program files and all that, but I'm going to click back to show you this nice thing. You right click, you click properties, you click tools, and right here is the checking program. The checks for errors, which you want to do this at least once a week if you run Windows XP. And then you click both of those, you click start, and you click yes if you wanted to check for errors. I already did that, so I'm going to click no. There's your disk defragmentation utility. There's your disk cleanup utility. And if you wanted to save some space, you click right here to compress drive space. Don't click this and apply unless you're prepared to wait over a day for it to do this, because this takes a while. Closing out the web browser. This is your icon. This is your desktop, I meant. This is where your icons are. I'll show you how to change the wallpaper later. And there is a way to change this dock. I'll show you later. Much later. There's a way to change it to where it looks like Mac OS. Well, there you have it. Basic overview of how to use